Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to print the selected cells only in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you might know, you can print the complete file or a complete sheet in a Google spreadsheet, but you can also print the selected cells only, and here's how to do it. So all you have to do is basically select the cells you want to print. So in this case, let's say it's this 3 simple cells, not this whole project management sheet Google spreadsheet file. So once you have selected the cells, the easiest way to do it is to press Ctrl or Command P, or you can also click on File and select Print here. And as you can see, by default the current sheet is selected, so this project management sheet will be previewed here, but we have to wait a couple of seconds. So as you can see, the complete sheet is selected. But as the title of the video says, we just want to print these 3 cells here. So what we have to do is, instead of current sheet, we have to select selected cells. And as you can see now in the preview, we can see that only these selected cells will be printed. You can click on Next, and we will be able to print these selected cells from our Google Sheets. So notice how you can print the selected cells only in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.